తప్పకుండా కింద ఉన్న రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how to check any number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 or not. Please watch the video till the end. Small request, if anyone are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let us start. First one, divisible by 2 or not. Any number having unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any number having the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Let us discuss few examples. See the first example, 148. 148 is divisible by 2 because the unit digit of 148 is 8. 8 is divisible by 2, hence 148 is divisible by 2. Next one, example 2. Observe the example 2, that is 15293. The unit digit of 15293 is 3. 3 is not divisible by 2, hence unit 15293 is not divisible by 2. Second one, how to check whether given number is divisible by 3 or not. If the number whose sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. If you take any number, the sum of all digits of a number, is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Observe this example so you can understand clearly. The given example is 2157. The sum of all digits is 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7, that equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3, hence 2157 is divisible by 3. Let us discuss one more example which is not divisible by 3. Example 2, 211. The sum of all digits of 211 is 4. 4 is not divisible by 3. Hence 211 is not divisible by 3. Please solve this question. Check 1121031 is divisible by 3 or not. If you got the answer, please mention in the comment section. Third one, divisible by 4. How to check whether given number is divisible by 4 or not. If the sum of last two digits of any number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. You should add last two digits of a number. Last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then given number is divisible by 4. Let us discuss few examples on this topic. First one, 1044. Check whether 1044 is divisible by 4 or not. First we have to add last two digits of a given number. In this example, the last two digits are 4 and 4. The sum of last two digits is 8. Hence 8 is divisible by 4. So the given number 1044 is divisible by 4. Let us take one more example which is not divisible by 4. The given example 9952. The last two digits are 5 and 2. The sum of last two digits is 7. 7 is not divisible by 4. Hence the given number is not divisible by 4. Next one, divisible by 5. How to check whether given number is divisible by 5 or not. If any number whose last digit is either 5 or 0, then the given number is divisible by 5. Let us take one example. 72345. 72345 is having the last digit is 5. So, the given number 72345 is divisible by 5. Let us discuss one more example. 9650. In this example, the number is having last digit 0. That means the given number 9650 is divisible by 5. Let us take one example which is not divisible by 5. In this example, the last digit, that means the unit digit is having 3. If any number which is divisible by 5, the last digit, that means the unit digit must have either 0 or 5. But in this example, the last digit is 3. So, the given number 31243 is not divisible by 5. Next one, divisible by 6. How to check whether given number is divisible by 6 or not? If you take any number which is must divisible by both 2 and 3. If the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. Let us discuss few examples. Example 1, 36. Check whether 36 is divisible by 6 or not. First we have to check 36 is divisible by 2 or not. If 36 is divisible by 2, then start checking 36 is divisible by 3 or not. If 36 is not divisible by 2, then directly we can say 36 is not divisible by 6. In this example, 36 is divisible by 2. If any number which is not divisible by 2, then directly we can say the given number is not divisible by 6. So, we have to check whether 36 is divisible by 3 or not. 36 is divisible by 3. In this example, the given number 36 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, the given number 36 is divisible by 6. In this example, we have seen that the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3. That means both 2 and 3 are divisible. Let us take one more example which is divisible by 2 but which is not divisible by 3. Example 2, 16. Check whether 16 is divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible by 2, then start checking whether 16 is divisible by 3 or not. 16 is divisible by 2, but 16 is not divisible by 3. So, 16 is not divisible by 6. In this example, we have observed that only 2 is divisible, but 3 is not divisible. So, the given number is not divisible by 6. Let us take one more example which is divisible by 3 but which is not divisible by 2. Example 3, 51. Check whether 51 is divisible by 3 or not. 51 is divisible by 3. And check whether 51 is divisible by 2 or not. 51 is not divisible by 2. Even 51 is divisible by 3. 51 is not divisible by 6 because if any number which is divisible by 6, it must satisfy the number that it should be divisible by both 3 and 2. Even it is divisible by 3, it does not divisible by 6 because any number which is divisible by 6, it must satisfy the condition the number must be divisible by both 3 and 2. Hence, the given number 51 is not satisfy the condition. So, the given number is not divisible by 6. Let us take one more example which is not divisible by 3 and which is not divisible by 2. Check whether given example 79 is divisible by both 3 and 2. Hence we observed that 79 is not divisible by 3 and it is not divisible by 2. Hence the given 79 is not divisible by 6. Next one, divisible by 8. How to check whether given number is divisible by 8 or not? Any number, if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. Let us take few examples so that we can understand clearly. Check whether 32 is divisible by 8 or not. For 8s are 32. Hence 32 is divisible by 8. Here we didn't get 3 digits. We can directly say whether given number is divisible by 8 or not. Here the given number is too small. Let us take one more example with 3 digits. 160. 160 is having 3 digits. Check whether 160 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 into 20, 160. So 160 is divisible by 8. Let us take one more example which is more than 3 digits. See the example. 9456800. Check whether the given number is divisible by 8 or not. To check whether the given number is divisible by 8 or not, first we have to take the last 3 digits of the given number. In this number, the last 3 digits are 800. Check whether last 3 digits 800, 800 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 into 100, 800. Hence, 800 is divisible by 8. So, 9456800 is divisible by 8. Let us take one more example which is not divisible by 8. In this example, the last 3 digits are 0 to 1. Check whether last 3 digits 0 to 1 is divisible by 8 or not. That means 21 is not divisible by 8. So, the given number 5329021 is not divisible by 8. Seventh one, divisible by 9. How to check whether the given number is divisible by 9 or not? Any number, the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. See the example. 4212. The sum of all digits is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Hence 4212 is divisible by 9. Let us take one more example which is not divisible by 9. 32150. The sum of all digits is 11. 11 is not divisible by 9. Hence 32150 is not divisible by 9. Eighth one, divisible by 10. How to check whether given number is divisible by 10 or not? If the unit digit contains 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. If the unit digit does not contain 0, then the given number is not divisible by 10. Let us take one example. 3210. The last digit is 0. Hence 3210 is divisible by 10. Let us take one more example. The last digit does not contain 0. In this example 1003, the last digit does not have 0. Hence the given number is not divisible by 10. Ninth one. How to check whether given number is divisible by 11 or not? If the difference between sum of odd digits and sum of even digits is 0 or divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Look at this example so that you can understand clearly. In this example, odd digits are 3, 1, 5. The sum of odd digits is 9. Even numbers are 2 and 4. The sum of even numbers is 6. The difference between sum of odd digits and sum of even digits is 2. 2 is not divisible by 11. So 32145 is not divisible by 11. Let us take one more example which is divisible by 11. The given example is 109021. Odd digits are 192. Even digits are 001. Sum of odd digits is 12. Sum of even digits is 1. Difference between sum of odd digits and sum of even digits is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. I hope all you understood. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my
Hold
channel.
me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.